is now versus even 2006, the industry is much more fragmented and diverse now than it ever has been before.
You know, if you take the different elements of data, digital, widespread use of technology and advanced analytics, you know, I think even five to 7 years ago, some of the things that are now happening, you know, one would have said were relatively futuristic. But, you know, with everything from the sort of the enablers of the massive widespread use of, you know, say machine learning, the expansion of social technology, you know, advances in sensors and other technologies around that, together with just an explosion of data on the healthcare side, whether it's electronic health records and the ability to integrate data sets, has just moved forward massively. From our own estimates, we see that as having something like a 15 to 30% impact on the EBITDA kind of level of a typical large pharma or med product company.
In my view, I think we're entering into an era where this is going to largely be about making choices. There are choices on distinctiveness and where companies want to differentiate themselves. For years, we've had a notion that a fully integrated pharmaceutical company is the traditional operating model, and it's proven to be a very successful operating model. But a number of things are challenging that. Can any individual company truly be the best discoverer of medicines, the best to take them through clinic, the best to manufacture them at scale at a reasonable cost, the best to convey the value proposition of these medicines to payers, to providers, to patients? Then I believe companies are going to have to make discrete choices on which parts of the value chain they think they can be distinctive at and can make a meaningful impact to patients and to the industry.
The ecosystem now around getting your drug to the right patient at the right time at a price that's both, you know, fair to you and works for the system is now incredibly complex. With everything, as we know, from health technology assessments to real-world evidence to just a whole range of stakeholders whose agendas we need to have far better insights on than we've ever had before. And I think that's challenging even on a day-to-day level.
Companies are also going to have to think